there's no doubt Christmas brings close to our family, friends and society. So now we will have fun and frolic with our friends through this performance.
students and teachers. Christmas is a festival of joy, hope and love. Almighty God has come down from the holy heavens in the person of Jesus Christ to live with us. Jesus took on our human nature in order to experience our pain and misery and set us free. At Christmas, humankind is called to imitate the self-giving and sacrificing love of God. The only way which God has seen to save the humanity is only through His Son. The birth of Jesus in a manger in Bethlehem tells us that true happiness is found not in power, wealth and popularity, but in simplicity and powerlessness. During this pandemic situation, when we celebrate this great feast, it reminds each one of us of our bounden duty to help our brethren who are in pain and agony and in despair and distress. Jesus has come down to share our sorrows and bear our burdens. We too have to come down to the life of our suffering brethren in and around us. A story which comes to my mind at this juncture tells us how to add meaning and beauty for Christmas. An old lady was staying alone in a small hut at the top of hill. As she was old, it was not easy for her to climb up and down the hill. Then she thought, how can I help the people living in the valley? Something struck in her mind. Since that day, when the light falls in the valley, the lady at the top of the hill hang lanterns around the hut so that the people who walked around could see the way clearly. Yes, Christmas brings light into our life and asks us to share this light with others. Let us share everything, our time, our wealth, our health and our talents with those who are in need of our help and make this Christmas a memorable one. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister, for your precious talk. It's Christmas, season of joy, love and peace. Let's forget the pain, hatred, fear and worry and all the negative things that happen this year. Not just for this day, but forever. Gratitude is the quality similar to electricity. It must be produced and discharged and used up in order to exist at all. The value of telling thanks is more precious than the valuable gift on the earth. We consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. First and foremost, we would like to thank our Almighty God for bringing us as one family to celebrate His birth, filled with joy and happiness in our hearts. My heartfelt thanks goes to our beloved principal, Sister Glory, and loving manager, Mother Celia, who always guide us and motivate us to be positive in all the aspects of life. Thank you, sister, for your precious talk. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all teaching and non-teaching staffs and students. Once